Turn up the heat with the Kenmore 4.8 cubic foot front control gas range. For the chef or the home cook, precision controls dial in dinner time with multiple cooking options, and 5 versatile burners handle everything from a serious sear to a brisk boil with any size pot or pan, including gas turbo boil, which delivers 18,000 BTUs of heat, speed, and performance, bringing liquids to a boil ultra fast. Dishwasher safe grates cut down on cleaning time. Convenient storage keeps your cookware handy, and a large viewing window helps make sure everything is just right. True Convection combines 3 heating elements with a high-speed fan to preheat the oven quickly. It circulates air around the food, producing an even, consistent cook for a variety of dishes. Or, for a juicy interior and golden brown exterior, utilize the air fry function. The high-speed fan and heating elements adapt to produce a crispy dish with less oil. When it's time to tidy up, hit Steam Clean to soften stuck-on food particles for a quick clean, or choose Self-Clean for a dry, deep clean at high heat. For a total clean, there are 4 full cycles to choose from. Whatever you're serving up, the new Kenmore Gas Range lets you live more with Kenmore.